Julie. Welcome back everyone. Sangmalayam. Junpalex. Tene dringa ta yusuk silchano kule. O sangese zatpa chungi sa stutba. So namga in pasang. Tene sangesha gato bitujin in pasang. Sangesen zatpa chungi sa stutba silche nong ju. Tene Instagram me upload chukan page number jipa to gare. Tene inang kuga. 초대는 것 때문에 대식스 당연히 오니 가는 목표가 쓸미시스. Ganetic 101 I think in this book. So we will be doing prayer, chanting, prayer, whatever you want to call it, and we will be today because it's in a Ganetic 101. Yeah, in this book. We will be paying homage to the Buddha via his 12 major deeds of Buddha Shakyamuni, because today is a Buddha Shakyamuni day, so we'll be doing that specific prayer. Yeah, and of course, as I always say, before we do the main prayer, it has to be preceded by we have to do refuge prayer before that. We have to do refuge. So please check my post and look for the refuge prayer. There's no page number, so just go down and you can see the refuge prayer, and it's in English translation, transliteration, and Boti. So anyone can join who can speak Boti or English. Yeah, just go mangatang. Shkamjo ganin go suggestion ya. Shkamjo manamji korbo. Teni teo pingazad. Teni chode binankuga page number gyane chik dugle. So Instagram mega upload choganbo page number 4. Okay, let's start with refuge. Then skinnangshinla stavila magomazat sangis chos gindun gomazat samjin gunan hinji samazat gon metkan shkaps metkan dapo metkan isimshin malangarang yampo tene lama sangi chugindun jikala shkaps zonte in samazat. Oh yeah, tene so cultivate refuge mind, by taking refuge in your guru, if you have a guru, and then Buddha, Dharma, and Sangha. And also cultivate the mind that all the sentient beings who have not taken refuge, who don't know how to take refuge, who have no refuge in this life and in next life, we are taking refuge also on their behalf. So with that mindset, we will do the refuge prayer. Manam kadanyam besem shantam jet lama sangya chizgis kolaj kapson cheo manam kadanyam besem shantam jet lama ilon chozos bes kolaj kapson cheo manam kadanyam besem shantam jet lama toje dulbes kolaj kapson cheo manam kadanyam besem shantam jet lama sangya jimbo chelaj kapson cheo manam kadanyam besem shantam jet lama sangya chizgis kolaj kapson cheo manam kadanyam besem shantam jet lama lor chozos bes kolaj kapson cheo Manam Gadanyam Besam Shantam Jet Lamai Tokje Dulbes Kolash Kapson Cheo Manam Gadanyam Besam Shantam Jet Lama Sangya Jimbo Jelash Gabzon Jeo Manam Gadanyam Besem Shantam Jet Lama Sangya Chizkis Kolash Gabzon Jeo Manam Gadanyam Besem Shantam Jet Lama Lonsho Zos Bes Kolash Kapson Cheo Manam Gadanyam Besem Shantam Jet Lama Tukje Dulbes Kolash Kapson Cheo Manam Gadanyam Besem Shantam Jet Lama Sangya Jimbo Chela Ashgabzon Cheo So, tenita e Sangye Senset Pachungila Stotpa Homage to the Buddha. Tamge doje shake rison toy jinge metoi dege bongjamba Sirge lunbo tawar jitbe goy shake galbe kyolai chanzalo Kange dangbar changjo dojgene sonam yeshe tsonye zonze jing Tunden zedbai gyajen dowa yin gongyur kyolai dagi debargi Lana dunzen dolve dingene lale babne Langchen darshe shing Rigla zigne lamosh gyonto ge Lumzo jok baran zilai chanzai lo Dawai juzoi shake shasboni Tashi lumbe tsaldo tambe se Tsangdan gyajin gidon zinjoni Changjo rikso nginzi chanzai lo Yonos toldan mi singide Anga manga darnir gyotsalastan Shkivoy tekpa chenam tsarjenin Dendamet paranzadlai chanzai lo Jigden chidang tombar chawadan Kana manto pangchir zunmoye Kordan denze tablan kebaye Gyalzish gongwaran zilai chanzai lo Korve jawai ningbo mezini Kimni jongden kalai shekne gyang Chede namda jongdo nilani Rabdo jongwar zilai chanzai lo Zonbe jangjo jobar gongneni Neren zanen jamdo lo jolo Kawa chanze zondren darjembe Samden chonyen zelai chanzalo Toma menem beba de ye che manga dai changjo sheng dong do skill do mi yong bar sangye ne changjo zo bar zelai chanzalo lo do je do la nyor do zene ne wara na se la so ne cho do ju ge angor lo gor ne do janam tek ba som lang gen je chang zai lo yin ge gol wa ngen ba char je che mo des don ba do da la je so gormoin je ge yol do nam do el do ba yo le ga lai chang za lo se ba som na be me yon den ge ngin do ye par chon do chen bo stan la min do wa kun ge ram je ba stan ba gyas par ze lai chang za lo le lo je nam nyor do kul je che ar san jo dong ge sa je zang ma ro ji me do je da ve ko she ne nyang en da war ze lai chang za lo yang da ni do en je ba mi che dang ma o sem je so na to je che ti ni do ne ring zel mang do ne sko dong jar gya ze lai chang za lo gang ze gang ni so wo ke dam ze sa chen de la komba den bor ne ngani jik den de na chok je son de zen ke ba ke lai chang za lo tang por gal da la ye yul ne jan gal pe kap do yom ge lom so jo lom be ni chal do to pal tam chom da la ye la lai chang za lo jar ye kang do ma ma gyat gen joy sha ge dong do jo ne rol zen zen ser ge ne so sam zo kap do ye se zon zong me skolai chang za lo dong ge go je go e zul de ne che de nam da dong do da se ne ren za ne dam do ka do ze dim ni gyon dan da lai chang za lo gyal pe kap do lang jen yon ba do yang ba jen do te dang ze pol manga daro to pang o sang gen ken be ye she bar lai chang za lo Varanasi chikin kolo koran zete zaldo chontu chenpo ten zanjo zhongdo gongba nyang ende toni nam kanda lai chang zai lo de tara den be takpo chum den gen zebe tsula de zama de bai given do kun ge je ba ya de she ke ge ze dang zong bar shou de jin she ba ke go jinda dang kor dang ko tse tse dang shin kam dang ke ge zen jo zang bo jinda wai ten da ko na da so en gyur war sho. Oh yeah. Then dedication. We dedicate all our merits to all sentient beings. Yeah. 399 Instagram, the one that I've posted. It's in one of the previous posts. Yeah, you give us much ispo. Senamande tamje zegbani topne ni bedana pamje de skega nanje balan tokba ye zeben zole doa dolwar sho jambala pawe chetar kemba dang gondo zangbo Deyang de jende de da gunge jeso da lo jinge wan de da dam je rab do chang chu sem jo rimbo che mas ges ba namas ge gyur je ges ba nyam ba met bar yang gong ne gong do Jo Gewan Dish Gewo Go Senam Yeshe Tsozone Senam Yeshe Lejon We Dambas Gonye Topar Sho. Yeah, you come song. I feel so good after doing prayers. Chanting with proper nice melodiously. And now, as always, meditation section, 10 minutes. So, so for this meditation, as everybody knows, we need a small object, round one, like this, can be any object, can be an eraser, can be pea, the vegetable from the fridge. Can be a small object. We just need to focus our mind on something small and round. So you just put it on the floor about 3 feet away from you, not too far, not too close. So just put about 3 feet away from you on the floor. You sit down, then you on a cushion under your bottom, like a cushion, so that your back remains straight. Then you take if you can sit in Vajrasana or Padmasana, you just bring your left foot first, then you come by your magoma. Then you take right. After that, you take the right and you put the right on top. So left first, then right on top. Oh yeah. Keep your back straight. Your back should be straight. So, then you lock hand right on top of the left. Slightly tilt it forward so you can see the bindu. Yeah, that round object. Eyes not shut, not open, half shut. Because you have to see the bindu, you have to gaze at the bindu. Mouth slightly open so you can breathe from your mouth. Your tongue, the tip of your tongue, touching the upper palate, behind your teeth. Like this, just resting, Okay, 10 minutes. Not very long. 10 minutes is nothing. Minuscule. It's all meditation just there. So we gaze at the bindu and we don't let our mind wander here and there. If a thought occurs in your mind, we bring it back. We rest our mind onto the way we gaze at the bindu is with intention, with intent. For example, when you look at somebody far away, you're trying to make out that person, like who is that person? Look, you can see who is that person in the distance, like that, You have to gaze at the bindu, not just look at it, and then drift away. No, you have to gaze it intentionally. And it'll be easier to place your mind, to rest your mind onto the bindu. Your mind will wander less and remain more on the bindu. This, as a consequence, will, your mind will feel more restful. Your thoughts, the disturbance in your mind will cease, and you will feel relaxed and calm. Back straight, legs crossed. If you cannot sit in Vajrasana, you can sit normal cross-legged position, but the right has to go over the left. In Buddhism, meditation posture, 99%, unless there is a special posture, the right always dominates the left. And we don't move our body. Body remains still. Eyes as much as open. Try not to blink. Initially, you have to blink a lot, but then you get used to it. Like Shantideva said at the beginning of the Patience chapter, there is nothing that becomes easy through habituation. So you have to habituate yourself to sit down. You have to habituate your mind to rest. Usually, your mind controls you. Your mind commands you. Your mind drags you everywhere. But today, right now, neither we are dwelling in the past, thinking about what has happened already, nor are we wondering about the future. We are right now in the present moment, and we are resting our mind through our gaze on the bindu. That's it. If thoughts occur in your mind, if your mind gets distracted by thoughts, again bring it back to the bindu. Rest it on the bindu. Don't drift away. Don't start thinking and wondering. Right now, focus on the bindu, look at it, and rest your mind on the bindu. That's your sole objective. No visualization, no mantras. This is it. Gaze intently at the bindu. Don't move your body even an inch. Remain absolutely still. Eyes half shut. Mouth slightly open so you breathe equally through your nostrils as well as your mouth, so that you don't place undue pressure either on your nose or your throat. Breathe normally. Don't listen to the sound that you hear from outside. Don't let your mind wonder, what is that sound? Who's coming? No. Mind has to sit, rest onto the bindu, as if you have placed a glass of milk on a table, an object onto a table. We have literally just, plonked our mind onto the bindu, placed it, and we are preventing it from moving away as much as we can. Obviously, when you're new to meditation, your mind will drift away. When you realize that, bring it back onto the bindu. Again, after a few seconds, just drift away. Bring it back. Just rest your mind on the bindu. Simba minda kurcho mazat. Simba sambege wachacho mazat. Devshin bika burasat. Khumma gyapna. Simba dulamano. Simba madulna. Sangi saman. Jawamikya. Khumma gyapna. Jamninji nazut bagum yanamano. Makas bachano. Tinun pojiyutna. Tsutmajidon stupchis lamuchamira. Tezusla. Om gyapkane simba jiwa chanjiyutna. Zut bagum chisa ninji gumchis lamuchanule. Sharpen your mind with meditation. It will become easier for you to practice patience and compassion and loving kindness. Good qualities will come naturally. Bad qualities will not stick on you as if you have oiled your body with meditation, with calmness. Just gaze intently at the bindu. Don't move an inch. Don't let your mind wander, distracted, seeped in thoughts. Don't let that happen. Every time your mind goes after some thought, bring it back. Back straight. Bring it back down. Kanana going is going to ninjas. Breathe equally through mouth and nose. Relax. It's only for 10 minutes. But because of lack of habituation, it can feel like an eternity. But when we are distracted, watching a movie, in a mall, at a party, we don't see time passing. Hours feel like minutes. Because our minds have become accustomed to distraction, to negativity. Even when we sleep, we think we are resting, but only the body is placed horizontally on a soft surface like a bed. But no, the mind is restless. The subconscious mind conjures everything in the form of dreams. Body becomes tensed, mind becomes tensed. Because you feel everything is so real. So neither your mind nor your body rests, even after 10 hours of sleep. When you meditate, your core is resting. So naturally, the external, the outside is also resting. Your body, the vessel. And that's it. 10 minutes. Simple. Now, feel it. Feel this peace, this serenity, this calmness. When you fly in the airplane and you see the clouds, these beautiful clouds.